Hello, my dear students. Welcome back. I am Priya, your maths teacher, and this lecture is for the students of class first. In this lecture, our chapter number 2, numbers 1 to 20, and it's our lecture number 14. Topic is ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers. We will learn ordinal numbers today. So let's start. Students, before starting ordinal numbers, we have to keep some points in our mind. These are as follow. Ordinal numbers tell the order of thing in a set. Ordinal numbers एक सेट में जो चीज़ों का एक सेट होता है उसमें उन किसी पर्टिकुलर थिंग का ऑर्डर हमें बताता है कि वो किस ऑर्डर में रखी हुई है. सेकेंड, ऑर्डिनल नंबर्स ओनली शो रैंक और पोजीशन. ऑर्डिनल नंबर्स सिर्फ रैंक और पोजीशन बताते हैं कि वो कौन सी रैंक पर है, कौन सी पोजीशन पे है. सपोज व्हेन यू रन इन अ रेस, सो यू गॉट फर्स्ट पोजीशन, सेकंड पोजीशन, थर्ड पोजीशन. योर टीचर डोंट से, टीचर नेवर सेज दैट you came one, you came second. They say, your teachers say, you are first, you are second, you are third. So these all are rank or position. So first of all, start with first. This is first, this is first. Here is the first. F-I-R-S-T, first. F-I-R-S-T, F-I-R-S-T. First, first, first. Here is the number first. With the cardinal number 1, we use ST. It becomes first. Second, second, second. Here is the number second. Second, second, second. Here is the number second. With the cardinal number 2, we write 2 and D. It becomes second. Second, second, second. Here is the number second. S-E-C-O-N-D. 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 Second. Third, third, third. Here is the number third. Third, third, third. Here is the number third. With the cardinal number 3, we write RD. It becomes third. It becomes third. Third, third, third. Here is the number third. Students, keep this thing in your mind. This is cardinal number and this is ordinal number. 1, 2, 3 cardinal number होते हैं. First, second, third ordinal numbers होते हैं. T-H-I-R-D, 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 third. Fourth, fourth, fourth. Here is the number fourth. Fourth, fourth, fourth. Here is the number fourth. Fourth, TH. It becomes fourth. F-O-U-R-T-H. 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 Fourth. Fifth, fifth, fifth. Here is the number fifth. Fifth, fifth, fifth. Here is the number fifth. F-I-F-T-H. F-I-F-T-H. Fifth. With the cardinal number 5, we write TH. It becomes fifth. Fifth, fifth, fifth. Here is the number fifth. Sixth, sixth, sixth. Here is the number 6. Six, six, six. Here is the number 6. S-I-X-T-H. 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 6. With the cardinal number 6, we write T-H. 6. 6, 6, 6. Here is the number 6. 7, 7, 7. Here is the number 7. 7, 7, 7. Here is the number 7. S-E-V. E-N-T-H. S-E-V. E-N-T-H. S-E-V. E-N-T-H. S-E-V. E-N-T-H. S-E-V. E-N-T-H. With the number 7, with the number name 7, we add T-H. It becomes 7th. 7 T-H. 7th. 8th, 8th, 8th. Here is the number 8. 8, 8, 8. Here is the number 8. E-I-G-H-T-H. 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 8. With the cardinal number 8, we write T-H. 8. 8, 8, 8. 8th, 8th, 8th. Here is the number 8. 9th, 9th, 9th. Here is the number 9. 9th, 9th, 9th. Here is the number 9. N-I-N-T-H. 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 9. With the cardinal number 9, we write T-H. It becomes 9. 10th, 10th, 10th. Here is the number 10th. 10th, 10th, 10th. Here is the number 10th. 10th, 10th, 10th. Here is the number 10th. T-E-N-T-H. 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 10. With the number 10, we add T-H. It becomes 10. Means Daswa. Yes, students. Here we have some more position numbers. These all are called, yes, ordinal numbers. Here 4 students are standing. So it is standing at first, second, third and fourth. First means पहला, पहले नंबर पर. सेकेंड मतलब दूसरा, दूसरे नंबर पर. थर्ड मीन्स तीसरा, तीसरे नंबर पर. फोर्थ मीन्स चौथा, फोर्थ नंबर पर. जब पोजीशन नंबर को डिनोट करते हैं, वी डू नॉट से दैट आई एम 1, आई एम 2, आई एम 3. वी डिनोट इट लाइक फर्स्ट, सेकेंड, थर्ड, fourth and so on. So students, it's first, it's second, it's third and fourth. Fifth means पांचवा, sixth छठा, seventh सातवां. सेवंथ मतलब सातवें नंबर पर. फिफ्थ मतलब पांचवें नंबर पर. सिक्स्थ मतलब छठे नंबर पर, और सेवंथ मीन्स सातवें नंबर पर। एट, नाइन, 10। 8 मीन्स आठवें नंबर पर, 9 मीन्स नौवें नंबर पर, 10 मीन्स 10वां। सो ऑर्डिनल नंबर्स रिप्रेजेंट दी पोजिशन। पोजिशन को ऑर्डिनल नंबर्स रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं कि फर्स्ट पोजिशन, सेकंड पोजिशन, थर्ड पोजिशन एंड सो ऑन। ऐसे ही ऑर्डिनल नंबर रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं रैंक को। फर्स्ट रैंक, सेकंड रैंक, थर्ड रैंक, फोर्थ रैंक, फिफ्थ रैंक, सिक्स्थ रैंक, सेवंथ, एट्थ, नाइन्थ एंड 10th. So students, let's take one more example for better understanding. Here on the screen, some Mickey Mouses are standing. So these Mickey Mouses are representing their position. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth and 10th. It's first, it's second, it's third, तीसरा, fourth, चौथा, fifth, पांचवा, sixth, छठा, सेवन, सातवा, एट, आठवा, नाइन, नौवा, 10th, 10वां. So these numbers, these ordinal numbers representing the position of these Mickey Mouses by 1 to 10. From 1 to 10. Okay students, now we will fill the book exercise. LET, let, US, us, PRACTISE, practice, BY, by, WRITING, writing, THEDORDINAL, ordinal, NUMBERS, numbers. Let us practice by writing the ordinal numbers. अब हम प्रैक्टिस करेंगे ऑर्डिनल नंबर्स को राइट करके. कार्डिनल, these are cardinal numbers. Cardinal numbers, as I have told you earlier, 1, TW2, THREE, 3. And ordinal numbers, first means position telling number. Second, 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 THIRD, third. So we will practice by writing here. So let's start. First of all, first with the cardinal number 1 and ST. It's first. FIRST, first. FIRST, first. FIRST, first. With the cardinal number 2 and D. Second, SECOND, second. SECOND, second. Third, 3 with RD, third. THIRD, third. Next, 4. FOURTH, fourth. FOURTH, T-H. Fourth. F-O-U-R-T-H. Fourth. Next, fifth. It is fifth, not fifth. We will not write F-I-V-E-T-H. It will become fifth. We have to write here fifth. With the cardinal number 5, T-H. Fifth. F-I-F-T-H. Fifth. F-I-F-T-H. Fifth. Sixth. Sixth with T-H. Sixth. S-I-X-T-H. Sixth. S-I-X-T-H. Sixth. Seventh. Seven. T-H. Seventh. S-E-V-E-N-T-H. Seventh. Next, eighth. E-I-G-H-T-H. Eighth. Next, ninth. N-I-N-T-H. Ninth. And the last one, 10th. T-E-N-T-H. Tenth. T-E-N-T-H. Tenth. T-E-N-T-H. Tenth. Question number 2. S-E-E-C-T-H-E-D W-O-R-D word C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R. Computer. A-N-D and W-R-I-T-E. Write. See the word computer and write. कंप्यूटर वर्ड को हमें देखना है और फिर हमें इनके आंसर देने हैं. C is the first letter. C कौन सा लेटर है? फर्स्ट. P is the dash letter. P कौन सा लेटर है? So count. First, second, third, fourth. P is fourth letter. So write here fourth. P is fourth letter. M is the dash letter. M कौन सा लेटर है? First, second, third. Third letter. E is the dash letter. E कौन सा लेटर है? First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. Seventh. T-H. Seventh. R is the dash letter. R कौन सा लेटर है? First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. R is the eighth letter. T-H. A. So students, here we have done book exercise also, and we have also learned ordinal numbers 1 to 10. First to 10. So my dear students, now it's time to take homework, and your homework is learn ordinal numbers 1 to 10. You have to learn ordinal numbers from 1 to 10. First to 10. Now students, let us discuss the homework solution of lecture number 13, means your previous lecture. अब हम लेक्चर नंबर 13 के होमवर्क सोल्यूशन को डिस्कस करेंगे. आई होप यू ऑल हैव डन द होमवर्क ऑफ लेक्चर नंबर 13. So in the lecture number, your homework was learn and write table of 4 in fair notebook. In lecture number 13, your homework was learn and write table of 4 in fair notebook. I hope you all have learned as well as you have done in the fair notebook also. So let's revise it again. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 six are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32, 4 nines are 36, 4 tens are 40. Again, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 six are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32, 4 nines are 36, 4 tens are 40. So my dear students, we have also discussed the homework solution of previous lecture. So do your homework honestly and thanks for watching the video. Bye bye. Take care.